This is actually an 820 square feet unit. It's a studio unit in St Regis The Residence. Sentral actually is kind of like the heart of KL. It's really at the center of KL.
Yeah.
Of course, all the train, all the MRT, LRT, monorail, ETS, all converge at KL Sentral. It kind of make a perfect sense for St Regis to be located there. And it's relatively more affordable if compared with other luxury brands. I mean, it's already most luxury, but because of the current location, they think it's not the center, but in fact, it will be the center. Are you ready to see the unit? Come. This is actually an 820 square feet unit. It's a studio unit in St Regis The Residence. So as you can see, you have a very beautiful kitchen top, kitchen islands, a ready coffee machine for you. You can have your morning breakfast just right here. And basically you can do all the cookings here. Your oven is here, stove, exhaust, your microwave is here, and you have a built-in fridge, which is. So this is a complete kitchen, despite it's just a studio unit. So this is your living hall space. Again, I need to emphasize that despite it's just a studio unit, you have a big living hall space. A couch that can fit 4 people here. And you can see side table with another 2 bags. You can sit here overlooking the view. And it's a perfect place for a small family. You can work even on your own room. Enough space to put working tables, and then the king's bed are here. Well, this is a show unit, and the guitar is part of the sale as well. And then next to the bathroom. So you have a built-in wardrobe for him and for her, and then a double sink bowl again for him and for her. Perfect toilet. And then this would be your washing area, your shower area. And here you can connect back to the outside of the house. And this completes the whole studio. So it looks much bigger than 820 square feet, right? Okay, St Regis comes with a storage space of your own. So this storage space, you can use it to store your bicycle, your golf bag, your luggages, or whatever stuff that you just don't want to be put inside your unit. So it's pretty huge space. The larger the space you own, the larger this space is going to be. Alright, come let's move on to another layout. Hi, if you need a bigger unit, this is actually a 2,400 square feet unit, a 3-bedder. Come. Actually, in my opinion, KL Sentral is kind of a bit underrated. If you compare to a few years back, maybe KL Sentral is really just a hub of transportation, but now it's much different. You have a shopping mall here, the new Sentral, and you have much more offices. Do you want to have an address of your own in St Regis Residence? If yes, contact me now.